Hello, friends, and welcome to Borders and Beyond. Today, we are going to talk about a story which is not heard too much in news. There was a body that was found in Dhaka. There was no post mortem done, no questions asked, and that body was quietly handed over to the US Embassy. And that body belonged to a Special Forces Inspector General of US Army. क्या कर रहा था वो बांग्लादेश में, एंड मोर इम्पॉर्टेंटली व्हाई वाज इंडियाज इंटेलिजेंस ऑन हाई अलर्ट एंड व्हाट सीक्रेट मिशन वाज ही डूइंग इन साउथ एशिया. स्टे विद मी. Today we are going to dig deeper and discuss more. And who was this person? This person was Mr. Terence Arwell Jackson. He was found dead in room number 808 in Hilton. On paper, he's just another American citizen. In reality, he is tied to the 1st Special Forces Command Airborne. And जैसे ही पता चला, घंटों में उसकी बॉडी यूएस एम्बेसी से उड़ के चली जाती है. एब्सोल्युटली नो पोस्टमार्टम डन, नो इन्वेस्टिगेशन. क्या जल्दी थी, क्या छुपा रही थी यूएस एम्बेसी ढाका में? इसी की वजह से इंडियन अथॉरिटीज इसके बारे में उनके कान खड़े हो गए. ये क्यों हुआ? बिकॉज अभी हाल ही में ही पिछले साल 2024 में रिजीम चेंज ऑपरेशन हुआ था जहां शेख हसीना को हटाया गया था. तो क्या फिर से रिजीम चेंज ऑपरेशन हो रहा है? क्या ऐसी चीज थी विच अमेरिका वांटेड टू डू राइट नेक्स्ट टू इंडियाज बॉर्डर? Now, reports suggest that he was very close to Bangladesh-Myanmar border, a region which has been plagued with insurgencies, refugee camps, and shadows of global espionage. Indian agencies are now tracking every step. किससे मिला, कहाँ गया, क्या planning की? Because this obviously wasn't tourism. This was meant to be something else, meant to be something bigger. Now, the strange part is that former US Ambassador Peter Haas had visited Bangladesh 6 times in the last 1 year. On August 5, he was in Cox's Bazar. Cox's Bazar क्या है? Cox's Bazar है जहां पे सबसे बड़ा रोहिंग्या का कैंप है. हाँ, ये वही रोहिंग्या जिसकी प्रॉब्लम इंडिया और इंडियन सिक्योरिटी एजेंसीज बहुत टाइम से हमारे को बता रही है. Then very recently 2 Bangladeshi American citizens, they were in a protected area in India, caught and immediately deported. Now what we are trying to understand कि क्या ये दोनों मिले हैं, what was it all about, क्या claim है, क्या suspension है? This definitely can't be a coincidence, or is it part of something much bigger, something dirty, which US is very good at? So now the story is that he was obviously a government official on a business trip. Government official business trip पे क्या कर रहा था? What was he doing? Because the government officials are not allowed to do business, but officially वहाँ हर जगह यही बोला जा रहा है कि he was on a business visit. So there is a lot of chatter about Saint Martin Island. Saint Martin Island is a very, very strategically located island, and आप अगर उसको देखेंगे मैप में, right next to obviously within Bangladesh, Myanmar बगल में, India, which is now the 4th largest economy, and America's number 1 enemy, which is China. Now the history is that the Sheikh Hasina's father, Mujibur Rahman, US at that point of time had requested in 70s कि ये आप हमें दे दें. मुजिबुर रहमान ने मना कर दिया. Fast forward 2024, we all know there was a revolution, the so-called US created revolution in Bangladesh, where an elected Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina had to leave and वो भाग के कंट्री छोड़ के चली जाती है. Now, when the puppet which is Muhammad Yunus, was sent there as an interim head of the government. And we all know कितने crimes against minorities बांग्लादेश में हुए. उसके बाद ये फिर से चैटर आने लग गया है कि सेंट मार्टिन आइलैंड्स को दिया जा रहा है. Now, like I've just said, it is very strategically located. Could this person be there कि वो उसको वहां एक इंटरनल रेवोल्यूशन, एक इंटरनल रिवोल्ट क्रिएट करके एक इंडिपेंडेंट कंट्री बनाना चाहता था अमेरिका, और उस इंडिपेंडेंट कंट्री पे वो डायरेक्ट एक्सेस होगा, कंट्रोल रहेगा, और ये 4-5 कंट्रीज which includes India and China उसके नजर में रहेंगे. So in the end, US has once again started playing its dirty regime change game, जो कि पिछले कई 50-70 सालों से करता आ रहा है. whether it is South America, सीरिया, इराक, अफगानिस्तान में तालिबान को हटाया 20 साल और फिर वापस तालिबान को लाया, एंड नाउ बांग्लादेश जहां शेख हसीना को हटाया. सो as always, India has to be very vigilant. We all know what Donald Trump has been doing with all the tariff policies and जो कहानी उसने बनाई है regarding that. So be alert, be safe. This is Chitresh Kapoor. Jai Hind.